Hello everyone, Jin here, and this is the third part of the mission system tutorial. The rewards. So this part is also very important because here can players decide on which mission to go next to. There are few reward types. There is the nothing in this case, which is actually a placeholder till I figure out something else or not. You should use this if you don't want to give any rewards, obviously. There are item rewards. Those are simplified give item with limited function. You can give a player any item with metadata with an amount and that's all. Then there are alignment rewards. You can give or take alignment percentage, like -10 will take 10% and +10 will give 10% to the player's alignment, for example. And there is the command that you can actually run a command with it for the player, but this uses command block mechanism, so you need to enable command blocks for this to be used on your server, both in server.properties and any plugin sided configs that handles or block command blocks. And the last thing for now is the training port rewards, which is not just a TP giving reward. It actually has a few subtypes. These can be fix, align, level, and level align. Fix means the player will get a fixed amount of TP, obviously. Align means TP is based on the alignment of the player and also the alignment of the mission the player alignment of the mission, and the player can get either nothing, half, or full amount that is given to it. There is the level subtype, where the player level multiplied with the amount equals the TP gain. And there is the level align, that is the combination of the previous two. The rewards are formatted a bit harder though. Here as well, the parameters are separated with semicolons, but the first part is the actual reward that will be given, and those can have multiple ones, and those are separated with 2 vertical bars. And also every reward has parameter, and those are separated with an exclamation mark. So let us look at it a little more. For example, this reward. This will mean that these are the rewards. And this will be the name of the reward button, which in this example uses the translated option. And the last one will be the ID of the next mission the player can go to. Now to the rewards in more detail. The rewards are separated with 2 vertical bars, so we get 2 rewards in this example. First one is a TP reward and the second is an alignment reward. So this is one reward. As I said before, the reward parameters are separated with an exclamation mark. So the first parameter tells us the type of the reward, and based on the type, this can have various look. So the first parameter tells us that this is a TP giving reward. The second parameter in this case is the subtype, which is fix, for fixed amount. That means the TP reward will be a fixed amount, and the last parameter is the amount of the TP given. The other reward is an alignment modifier, which has only one additional parameter, and that is the percentage amount. which the player's alignment will be changed with. In this case, -10 to the current amount. And here is an example of an item reward. This is it. This is an item reward. In this case, there are only two params, the type and the item data, separated with the exclamation mark. And this is the item data. The item data first has the name of the item, then if you want to give it a specific metadata number, write, for example, this. Then separated with a comma at the end is the amount of the item that will be given, in this case 1. For example, using the metadata, if you want to give a specific player, for example, 64 light blue wool blocks, then you could write this. This is the block name, the metadata for it, and the amount. Well, this was the rewards video. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time.